Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can charge Nintendo Switch. So in order to do so, we need this Nintendo Switch dock. This is where we insert our Nintendo Switch while it is charging, as well as when we want to use the TV. However, since we are talking about charging, I'm gonna show you what to do. So we also need the power cable, which comes with the Nintendo Switch, of course. And the power cable has this end over here. This is the power cable. Now, in order to put it into the dock, we need to open this panel on the back. In order to do so, over here, we need to grab it from the top, like so. Here is the back panel. Over here, we have the AC adapter. This is where we need to insert our cable. Over on the side, we have these slots. Let me try to show you. There we go. Over here, we have these slots. We need to enter the AC cable into the AC adapter over here. And once we do that, of course, the last thing you need to do is connect the cable to your current. Let's close this. And now what we need to do is simply put Nintendo Switch into the dock. So let me grab my Nintendo Switch and then we can put it in. Once we put it in, we should be charging. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.